So at the Quay wall in Cork, beside the River Lee, walking towards the Merchants Quay bus stop for the 202 and 202A services to Mahon Point. So sweeping the cane left and right against the Quay wall, which indents a bit. You'll see here that there's a cycle lane and a footpath at the same level. So to cross to the bus stop, you have to walk across a cycle lane. Now sweeping the cane left and right, there's a metal thing there for a tree. There's a blister tactile here, the width of the path. So I have to cross here, across the cycle lane, which is at the same level, and this is the Merchants Quay bus stop. You'll see here, if I go back a bit, that the two-way cycle lane has a few rows of tactile bars approaching the bus stop.